In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use N8N to automate your YouTube workflow and save time by connecting your favorite apps without writing complex code. N8N is a powerful workflow automation platform that lets you create automated processes between YouTube and hundreds of other services. Whether you want to publish videos, send notifications, track analytics, or organize your content, N8N can handle repetitive tasks for you. To get started, sign in to your N8N account or set up your self-hosted instance. Create a new workflow, then add the YouTube node and connect it with your Google account. After that, choose a trigger or action, such as uploading a video, monitoring new uploads, or retrieving channel data. You can connect additional apps like Google Sheets, Discord, Slack, or email to build a complete automated workflow. Once everything is configured, test your workflow and activate it so it runs automatically. That's it! With N8N, you can simplify your YouTube workflow, reduce manual work, and spend more time creating great content. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.